What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to a new video. Good morning by the way, and we're going to be covering Litentry again, which I covered yesterday evening or at the end of the afternoon I think, when it was quite bullish already and we were actually looking at a bullish breakout. Well, we got that bullish breakout as expected. For now it's up 30% over the last 24 hours, but most of that was already covered in the last video. I mean, this move was already covered in the video yesterday, but the volume has increased a little bit more. As you can see, definitely over the last like 6 hours, it increased from 144 million to 182 million. 40 million in volume added is actually quite a lot, because that's also the market cap. So if we take a look at Litentry right now, yeah, first of all, chart. If you haven't seen me cover Litentry before, chart is very messy. And Litentry is very volatile, as you can see. Also very bullish. Ever since the 12th of May, Litentry is one of the best performers, I'd say. Because it has more than doubled. It has tripled, actually. Wow. 200% gain. So the main thing we said yesterday, and you can always check that out. If you don't believe me, I completely understand. I mean, this crypto industry is, there's a lot of scammers right there in the industry, right? But what we said yesterday is, if we actually get that close above this level at 1.1, we will probably get up to 1.3 with an extension up to this level at 1.45 and 1.5 if the market is bullish. Well, the market wasn't bullish. Bitcoin stayed between 20,000 and 21,000, so we got up to 1.3. And now we found resistance there, and arguably we're in a more interesting scenario right now, because the most important level right now is again that $1.1 level. And the main thing is that we need to hold that. If we can actually hold that for like this doesn't fit the time frame perfectly, but I'd say we need to hold that for at least like 60 hours, so 2.5 days. But let's for simplicity say that we need to hold that for 2 days. If we can actually hold that level for the next 2 days, so with hold that, I mean, if we can stay above that level for the next 2 days, we'd probably consolidate between 1.3 and 1.1. But after that, I really do think we could break above 1.3 and actually 1.25 even. And I think if we break above 1.25, then I think we can reach that price target we have been talking about longer. I mean, I've talked about this level I think also in videos back at the beginning of June. But yeah, that's my main price target, between 1.45 and 1.5. I think we'll reject down pretty hard from that level, but it's a great thing that we could actually reach that. And we could actually extend this bullish momentum after that big drop. So that's pretty exciting, right? But we do have to be honest, in the end we are in a bear market, and you'd have to think for yourself too, is it actually realistic that we can hold 1.1? Because the moment we break down below $1.1, so if we close below 1.1, we'll probably find some support at $1, take a break retest, and start to drop down to that 80 cent level. Upon which I do think that will hold, and we might have another shot at actually breaking 1.1 and doing the same thing over again. But you do have to understand that when we're down here, you bear the risk that Bitcoin is going to and crypto is going to fall down harder. We're in a bear market. That could definitely happen any day. And if that happens, I mean, Lit is going to drop down to 70 cents. And if 70 cents breaks, we're out of this uptrend. Then it's over for Litentry. So, and that's more risky if you're down here. Rather than being up here, right? So that's the main danger if you drop down 1.1. Apart from that, I mean, if the market remains stable, you drop through 1.1. I'm fairly confident that you'll just try to do this again, right? And try to break 1.3 and get up to 1.45. It's just better, I'd say, to actually be on top of 1.1 for if more bearish fundamental moves happen. So that's basically my analysis on Lit. Might be a little bit long, might be a little bit too much rambling. So if anything wasn't understandable, or if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.